Welcome to this Teamwork Double Launch Farthest Wins competition.
Wait, teamwork? Uh-oh, that usually means you have to work with who you're standing next to. Oh, I don't want to work with the Joker. What? Oh, no. I don't want to work with him.
Don't worry, you two. You're not working together.
What?
Batman, you're working with the Flash. And Joker, you're with Thanos.
Really? Well, hey, we don't have to work together. Yeah!
So the rules are simple. One car launches off, gets launched around this double launch double loop, goes over the ramp and knocks this pile of tyres over. Then their partner launches round the double loop and tries to go as far as possible. Whichever pair goes the farthest wins. And because this is all about teamwork and working in pairs, our judges today are Ducky and Bunny.
Hello everyone, this competition will be great.
Awesome! So everyone, get into your vehicles!
Let's get this competition going. Here's Vampire Funling. Yep, the path is now clear for his teammate Chef Funling. At least you both made it round the track. You've set the distance to beat. Now it's Dory. Oh no, she crashed! So now her teammate Nemo will have to beat the record all by himself. Oh yes, he's done it! Well done, Nemo! Now you and Dory are in the lead. Woody next. He's cleared the way for his partner Buzz. Ooh!
Huh? Ducky, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Buzz, you didn't make it round the track, so unfortunately you and Woody are nowhere near the record line. Never mind.
King Leonard. Oh no, he's gone flying off the track too. So, Red will have to beat the record by himself. What? He crashed as well? So sorry you two, you won't be winning today. Daffy Duck next. Another crash? Can anyone make it round the loop? Good luck, Bugs. Yes, he's beaten the record by himself. So you and Daffy are in the lead. Now it's the Flash. Good start. So can his partner Batman beat the record? Yes, he can. Brilliantly done, you two. Well done. Captain America. Ooh, he almost beat the record by himself before his teammate Doctor Strange has even had a go. Ah, that's nowhere near the line, so you didn't break the record. Here's Ace. The tyres are out the way for Thomas. Ah, he couldn't make it round the second loop. And Ace didn't break the record, so you won't be winning today. Thanos now. Wow, look at that! Set up perfectly for his partner, the Joker. Oh wow, you've beaten the record with only one pair of cars left to race. Oh no, the Joker's going to win. Unless McQueen can stop him. Good start. Can Finn McMissile break the record? Yes, he's done it!
So today's winners are Lightning McQueen and Finn McMissile. Well Don't you